Good morning from Graham Family Farm. The temperature is 4 degrees and the wind is blowing. You see the snow's drifted, a little bit of snow there is. It's a cold one today. Only good news is we're not walking in mud today. The ground's froze ride. Yeah, it's a cold one. Well, I was going to take the golf cart down, but the snow is froze to the seat. The seat's froze to the cart. I can't even lift it up. So we're going to be walking today. I'm going to take those buckets down. I'll do that a different day. Hopefully it warms up some tomorrow. Those pigs are inside. Trying to stay warm. Good pigs. There's a whole family in there. Alright, let me get you some food. We'll make this fast. There's a little baby in there. Alright, guys. Yeah, they ain't liking the cold. Gonna break their water, it's froze. Well, it's not good. My gate is froze to the ground. I've been chipping away at it. I am froze. I'm gonna try to throw some food in from the other side. They have food. I'm gonna break the ice in their water. But I'm really cold right now. And I'll have to get some other tool because it's gonna break my shovel. I don't know. Harold and the babies are eating. Tanya and the other two are eating in here. We enjoying the grain. Something wrong with this labradoodle. Yep. Hooked on grass. You know where the family's eating. Gotta come down with something to break that ice. I'm gonna get warmed up and then I'll be back. Hopefully I can send the boys down there to do it. Well, the goats are in their rocking chair next to the fire. It's melting the ice off my fingers. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon and it's 6 degrees out. Charlie's down there, took the golf cart down there, and he's in the barn breaking the ice. And the dogs went down there because I heard the cart. The labradoodle always wants to ride when she hears it. Yeah, Charlie's trying to get the gate open so we can feed the chickens. Okay, Charlie used the cart to go down there, so he cleaned my seat off, which is good. Go down there and break the ice in the water dishes, feed the chickens. Whew. It's a cold one. Yeah, those pigs are back in their house. You know it's cold. Hang on, Harold, I don't know what you want. Your water is not froze. Chicken water is. Feed these chickens. Harold, you just spoiled piggy. This is inside the barn. I don't know if it's true or not. Because I checked the temperature and it was only 7 degrees when I came out here. So it is definitely warmer in the barn. These pigs here aren't snuggling down like the ones outside. Chickens are happy. I only got 3 eggs and all 3 are froze, so Harold here, he got 2 of them. Then got the other one. They like the eggs. We got some more straw for the bedding for the chickens. Gotta keep them warm. And the outside pigs are all inside the house there. And the boar's eating hay. I just threw that flake in front of them. Sounds like they're not happy. He's not sharing. Oh, this commotion. It's just a stick, dogs. Alright, got that done. Woo! Let's go. Well, that's all I got for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great evening. Stay warm.